Imagine the faint whir of tiny rotors cutting through the air like a whisper from the future, a swarm of pint-sized aerial marvels, defying gravity in a secret workshop, where dreams of flight take their first daring steps. Or could these miniature wonders hold the key to unlocking the next generation of sky-dominating giants, or crumble under the weight of one fatal flaw? Strap in, aviation aficionados, because on Defense Digest, we're thrusting you into the electrifying behind-the-scenes saga of manufacturing mini-helicopters. Those clever trial prototypes engineered as scaled-down testbeds before committing to colossal full-size beasts. And trust me, by the time this roller coaster ends, you'll be on the edge of your seat uncovering shocking secrets that could revolutionize rotorcraft forever smash that like button if tiny. Tech gets your heart racing. Hit subscribe and ring the bell for more mind-blowing exposes. And drop a comment below. What's the wildest mini prototype you've imagined? And do you think these pint-sized flyers could outmaneuver a drone swarm in real combat? Picture this high-stakes lab buzzing with engineers in crisp lab coats where it all begins with conceptual sketches on glowing screens using CAD software to blueprint every curve and blade of these 1/10 scale replicas measuring just feet. Instead of meters weighing mere kilograms yet mimicking the aerodynamics of behemoths like the Apache or Black Hawk, crafted from lightweight composites like carbon fiber and 3D printed alloys to slash costs and speed iterations. As laser cutters slice precise fuselage panels and CNC machines mill rotor hubs with micron accuracy. All under the watchful eyes of wind tunnel tests that simulate hurricane force gales to tweak tail, booms and stabilizer fins for optimal stability. But here's where the pulse quickens. As assembly lines hum, tiny turboshaft engines, downsized versions of GE T700s, churning 100 horsepower equivalents are bolted in. Wiring harnesses snaked through for avionics that pack GPS, gyros, and telemetry sensors mirroring Big Brother systems, with remote controls calibrated for autonomous flight modes that tease eye integration. Yet one wrong solder could spell mid-air disaster. Will these fragile frames hold up or explode in a shower of sparks during the first power-up? suspense builds as we venture outdoors to the test field, where ground crews arm checklists, batteries hum to life, and rotors spin up in a rising crescendo. The mini-choppers lifting off with surprising grace, banking through figure eights and hovering like hummingbirds. Cameras capturing every vibration and yaw for data crunching back in the lab, revealing flaws like torque, imbalances, or blade flutter that could doom a full-scale model costing millions. Imagine the tension as one prototype wobbles dangerously close to the ground. Engineers holding their breath, tweaking algorithms on the fly to stabilize it just in time. These mini marvels aren't just toys. They're vital scouts, slashing development time from years to months, saving billions by catching issues early. As seen in projects like Boeing's Little Bird variants or Sikorsky's Raider prototypes, where scale tests pave the way for hypersonic-capable rotors and stealth coatings. Yet, as our final flyer soars into the sunset, a chilling question lingers: what catastrophic failure lurks in the data, and how will these tiny titans evolve to conquer urban warfare or disaster zones? Don't click away, watch every thrilling second. Like, if this hooked you, comment your prototype predictions to fuel the fire share with your Gearhead gang, and subscribe to Defense Digest for non-stop dives into aviation's cutting edge, because the next breakthrough could hover right over your head. Stay tuned, Sky Warriors.